Okay, the next step is to remove the ignition coils. In this vehicle, the 3.7 liter, there's only these three on this side, which is a thing that really freaked me out, but I'll show you what I mean. First thing what we're going to do is we're going to remove these bolts. It's a 10 millimeter. So click, 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 click. You undo all those. And then take this side off, these wires. Now watch. So these are these little boots. Take those off. And then you want to twist these and pull them off. And they'll be like that. See, this doesn't doesn't detach. So that's the coils right there. There's three of them. 1, 2, 3. Now on this side is the thing that freaked me out because I was looking for those and I couldn't find them anywhere. And what all it is this wire here, the other end. When you pull them out, I pulled all these out already. But so this is the other end. So those coils run 2, 4, 6. So that's that. Next step. Today's project is to remove the fuel rails. So first we got to remove this piece first. And I got this little specialty tool that we're going to use to pry this thing up. There we go. Whoa. Watch out, there might be a little bit of gas in there. Now we have to remove these bolts. There's 2 on the other side too. What I used is they're 8 millimeter. Now to remove these clips right here on the fuel injector, put it in there and just pop it out. Just like that. That wasn't supposed to happen. That's how it is right there. Great to have a magnetic tool.
Success!